In this short video, I'll show you how to freeze columns in Excel so that you can keep headers visible while scrolling through large datasets. First, if you only want to freeze one column, go to the View tab and look for the Freeze Panes right here. Because usually you're in the Home tab, just go to the View tab right here. And the right side is the Freeze Panes right here. Click it, and there are three choices. First, let's click on the Freeze First column. And that should freeze the first column, which is A. Let's try it. There you go. It's frozen, the first column. Now, if you want to unfreeze it, go on press Freeze Panes again, and unfreeze Panes right here. Now, if you want to freeze two columns like A and B, go ahead and go back to the category and choose Freeze Panes. But first, you need to click on the column C right here, because if you click it on here, the previous ones, like the previous columns, A and B, will be frozen. Make sure you press the first cell, not the column itself, but the first cell. Go to Freeze Panes, and Freeze Panes again, and that should freeze A and B. There you go. Now you know how to freeze columns in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.